Hi guys, it's me, Didi. So now I have 5 questions for you. Can you guess them all? Okay. First question. What is a bee but not a queen? A. Is it a queen bee? B. Is it a bee? C. Is it a king? Is it a king bee? The answer is C. King bee. Second answer. Oops. I mean, second question. What is a lion but not a king? A. Is it a queen lion? B. Is it a lion? Or C. Is it a king lion? The answer is A. Queen lion. Now, third question. What is a man but acts like a monkey? A. Is it a monkey? B. Is it a monkey man? C. Is it a man? The answer is B. It's a monkey man. Now, fourth question. Well, this might be the longest video I ever made. Okay, now fourth question. What is a tree but it is like a building of a monkey? A. Is it a tree monkey building? B. Is it the monkey tree? Or C. Is it a tree building? The answer is A. It's a monkey building. Oh, I mean tree monkey building. Okay. Final question. What is an animal but with short legs and a short body? A. Is it a crocodile? B. Is it a lion? Or C. Is it a frog? The answer is C. It's a frog. Okay. Bye bye guys. Thanks for answering my question. Bye.